Hey, welcome back to Renanda's channel. Yes, welcome back to Renanda's channel. So today, y'all, and I told y'all in my last video that I was going to do a Dollar General haul, deals that you can do now. Yes, this one right here, honey, you cannot pass it up. This is a good deal, okay? This is a real good deal. So what I'm going to do is break down everything that I actually have purchased, what the deal is, and then all the rest of the things. Okay, so I got it actually separated of the whole. I actually everything is on one receipt, but I wanted to actually explain to the ones out there that wants to do it and is kind of scared to do it or confused on how to do it. Okay, so that's the reason why I got it the way it is. I got this part over here and this part, but everything is together on one receipt, and I will show you that also. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do, but first, let me thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. Okay, I want to thank them for my new subscribers and my old subscribers, and then also just like and subscribe to my channel, because I'm trying to bring you all these deals, okay? Because I know it's hard out here. Times are hard. Things is just getting so expensive. So you want to actually try to get these deals and these coupons as best you can, so your kids can have some little treats. Also, you know, it's get ready to be the holiday and the kids are going to be out. So you want to get this so if they at home or when they come home from wherever they've been, they can have some drinks. Okay, so let's go ahead and get to this video. All right, so the first thing I want to show you all is, let's see, the Pepsi. Okay, so the Pepsi and the Mountain Dew. It is $2. It's you buy two for $3.50. That's only a Pepsi product and a Mountain Dew, but you always want to scan it in your app. Okay, that's the first thing. All right, so the second thing is the Lay's potato chips. The Lay's potato chips are 2 for $6. Okay, so if you buy one, they're going to charge you that price right there, $4.99. So you want to buy two for $6. Get the bang for the buck, okay? So there is a digital coupon, $2 off of 2 on the Lay's chips, okay? You want to get those two, but you want to scan them because there's only certain. I looked on the coupon. There's only certain Lay's potato chips that is scanning, that is attaching to the coupon, but you still want to scan it because they can actually take it away. Dollar General can actually take it away, or they can say this is the only chips that is attaching. So you always want to scan it in your app, okay? So you have these 4 items. Also, there is another digital coupon that is out there, and it is, I believe it is a Dollar General store coupon, and it's $3 off of 2. So they want you to buy a Pepsi product or Mountain Dew and 1 Lay's potato chips. Okay, so you already got 2 of these. You got 2 of this. That's fine. So it's going to automatically attach. But again, make sure you actually check it before you go and check out or scan the product, because Dollar General, again, listen now, Dollar General again can actually take it away or take one of the products away or different things. Okay, so all of this right here, it's got coupon. You got the $2 off of 2. You got a $3 off of 2. Digital coupon that is going to attach. A Dollar General coupon and a manufacturer coupon will come off together. They do come off together no matter what it is. But in this situation, it will come off, okay? But you still, again, listen, want to scan your items, okay? So, you see what all of this, all right? So, I broke that down. The next thing you want to, if you're going to do a 5 off of 25, or you just want to do just a little bit more, but you can do this deal right here by itself. You, as of Monday through Thursday or Friday, you can do this deal by itself. You don't have to do the 5 off of 25 for Saturday if you don't want to, but if you want to get more for your bang, you can. So it's up to you. So the next thing I did was I actually got the Airwick Advanced Plug-in is $4. If you have not used this digital coupon, it should be still on there. You always want to go on there and clip it. This is $4. There is a $4 off digital coupon that is attaching. Also, there is a $1 digital coupon that is attached. Do not clip that if you still got the $4 off digital coupon, okay? Because it would take the $1 digital coupon before it takes the $4 digital coupon. So if you have the $4 digital coupon on your app, still on your app, do not clip the dollar one unless you've already used the $4 digital coupon, okay? So this will make this free because the $4 off will come on here and it will make it free because this is $4. But if you've already used it on your app, then you can clip the $1 and use it. It's up to you. But if you still got the $4, do not clip the $1, if you understand what I'm saying, okay? Let's move this to the side. The next thing is Energizer, okay? This 4-pack. This, I picked up a AAA. There is also a AA. But this is, you got to get the 4-pack, okay? The 4-pack. Now, if you want to get the other pack, you can. But if you want to get a low out of pocket, you want to get the 4-pack, okay? This, the battery, let's see, is, I think it's either $5 or $5.50. Let's see, Energizer is $5. There is a $3 off digital coupon that is attaching. Also, there is another, I think, digital coupon that is out there also. So you want to get more bang for your buck. If you haven't used the $3 off digital coupon out there, then make sure that you use that one first before you click anything else, okay? Before you clip anything else, use that $3 off digital coupon that is attaching, okay? The last thing is this Febreze Small Space. This is $3.25. There is a $2.30 digital coupon that is attaching to this. Now, if you've already used it as of, Monday through Thursday, if you've already used it, then I wouldn't even put the small spaces not unless you want it and you'll pay the whole $3.25 and you won't get no because you've already used that digital coupon. But if you haven't used it, then go ahead and incorporate that and you will be good. You will be so good as far as getting everything, okay? It'll be as far as getting, it'll be a low out of pocket when I tell y'all about how much I'm paying for it, okay? So it's up to you for these. This is the deals you can do now. But then on Saturday, 5 off of 25, you want to make sure you add up everything that you have on here. He rung up everything. All my coupons came up off. My subtotal, y'all, was $6.70. Okay? Now, this is at the old receipt store, not the new receipt store. I haven't done the new receipt store on this. Now, there is other people out here that does the new receipt store because that's all they have that is close to them. But I have also still have a old receipt store, Dollar General store, okay? So let me show you my receipt. There it is right there. Hold on. There it is right there. There you go. Hope you can see it. You see it's $6.70. Look at my total savings. $19.55. You can't beat that. And then I got a 5 off of 25 for Saturday. So this Saturday, I would not be doing a 5 off of 25 because I have something else that I have to do. So there won't be a 5 off of 25 video, okay? So this right here is my Dollar General haul. If you would just like, subscribe, and thank you for coming by Renonda's channel. See you later. Bye-bye.